Students will be discussing about digestion in grass-eating animals. So the grass-eating animals, they are termed as ruminants. So we call the grass-eating animals the ruminants. So there is a specific mode of nutrition in case of ruminants, which is called as rumination. There is a special process that is there in case of ruminants, which is called as rumination. So what happens in case of rumination is that these grass-eating animals, they quickly swallow the grass and temporarily stores it temporarily in a part of stomach that is called as rumen. So what are they doing? They eating the grass from mouth and storing it temporarily in the rumen. So furthermore, the food it gets partially digested in the rumen itself. So the food in the rumen it gets partially digested, and this partially digested food it is then called as cud. So what do we call a partially digested food? It is called as cud. So cud it is a partially digested food that is there in case of ruminants. So furthermore, this cud it then returns to the mouth of the animal in small lumps. So in small lumps, this cud it returns to the mouth, and then the animal completely chews it. So then this food partially digested food, it returns to the mouth where the animal completely chews the food, and then again from mouth the food returns into stomach and then small intestine and large intestine, and the process of digestion is completed like this. So then is digestion of cellulose. So these ruminants, they eat grass which is rich in cellulose. So grass, it is rich in cellulose, which is a type of carbohydrate. What is a cellulose? It is a type of carbohydrate. So this cellulose, it is digested in a special structure, which is a large sac-like structure called as cecum. So this cellulose, it is digested in the cecum, which is present between the small intestine and the large intestine of the animal. So the cellulose of the food or the grass, it is digested in the cecum. So what is special in the cecum that helps in the digestion of cellulose? So there are certain bacteria that are present in the cecum of these ruminants which helps in the digestion of cellulose. So how does the digestion of cellulose is carried out? It is carried out by the action of certain bacteria that are present in the cecum of ruminants. So furthermore, these specific bacteria, these are not present in other animals. So these are not present in other animals or human beings. So in our case, these bacteria are not present. So that is why we are not able to digest cellulose. So only bacteria that digest cellulose, these are present in case of ruminants. So this is the reason why these animals are able to digest cellulose. So let us have a look on the digestion process of ruminants. So this is a grass-eating animal, a cow. So this is a part of its alimentary canal. So this is its stomach. So this is the rumen part of its stomach. So this is the rumen. So then the cow, it will eat grass. So grass is coming from the mouth, and it is getting partially digested in the rumen. So this partially digested grass will be called as cud. So this cud, it will again return to the mouth, and then the animal, it is chewing it. So what is cow chewing? It is chewing the cud. So then again the cud, it will return into the stomach, and it will get completely digested in the rumen, which is a part of stomach again. And from rumen, it will move further parts of the alimentary canal. So it is moving to small intestine and then large intestine, and then it will be undigested food, it will be digested out. So this is the process of digestion in case of ruminants.